Abubakar stalking early on.
Yeah, Muhidin starting to put some fakes and feints. Ooh.
Nice left high kick.
Pace.
Blocked.
Southpaw by Alfredo.
Oh.
Back to orthodox.
Yes, Kingdom. Oh.
Abubakar closes the distance before that right hand from Muhid comes in. Nice right elbow over the top from Alfredo. Shooting up his Abubakar, great throw.
Solid takedown by Abubakar. Straight to side control. Good top pressure. Muhammad is flat on his back. And Muhammad is already with cross facing an underhook. Closing space. Top pressure by Abubakar. Let's see if he can get a progression.
Quickly mount, easy work there. Arm choke looking like it could be on.
Setting up an arm triangle.
He did well to get his arm back out.
Yeah.
Give him up his back though.
Back take. He's flattening on his back, and he's got one arm free to ground and pound.
He needs to bring his knees up.
This might be one of the worst positions to be in a fight. Completely flat on his belly.
We need to scramble out of this position.
One arm behind the back.
Abubakar just continues to show his ground game is really on point. Sorting the Khadebe fight.
Wrist right.
Solid and spreading Muhammad out.
Looking for a choke. It's across the face for the moment. No.
Got a body triangle.
It's a crank. But I think it's all right there.
The neck is
What a finish for Muhidin Abubakar. Sensational grappling. Got the neck crank to take the tap from Muhid, who doesn't tap to anyone.
I didn't think that was on in his face, showed it was.
I think it was the combination of the body triangle.
Sorry, Alistair.
I think it was the combination body triangle with the neck triangle.
Yeah, probably. Like, he's got a pressure with the body triangle. At the same time, he had a crank in a weird angle. You know, sometimes there's just nowhere to go, and the pressure is just too much. Although his connection with the grappling from the beginning was just superb. You know, like, he's got side control. He evolved to the mount. He connected with the back take, and then he went back to the mount. Back take again, to a point where he completely isolated, and then he cranked the neck and forced Muay to tap, which is, you know, just shows how much of a high-level competitor we have here at UAE Warriors, making a case. Abubakar, Muhidin.
Yes, the tapping to the neck crank, Alistair.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mark Goddard stops this bout at 2 minutes 26 seconds of round number 1. For your winner by tap out due to a neck crank, Muhidin Abubakar. To present the award, let's welcome his